Well, we're gonna run some PI today, pressure irrigation, 6-inch. We're gonna be training 3 guys, so we'll take you guys along for the ride. Oh, forgot to hit record on this. Got to hit record on this, so we're starting right here. We still got to go out into the road in front of us, high end, but we'll do that later. We got to get a traffic control plan for that. So we'll just start right here. Right here we got our glass all set up. Just hit 0. Got our elevation set up for there. That was a cut of 0.5, so we got to go 5 foot. We want to be 4.5 the bottom of pipe. We got to go just over 5 to have a little bit of sand underneath and stuff like that. So the one thing that we use this grade control for a lot is just checking grades from our hubs to our trenches. Works out pretty good. This freaking pipe is in my way. Here we go, getting ready for our first one. We're gonna put this cap on here temporarily so we don't get sand and stuff in here. Anyway, let's get that, open that box up. I just want to put like 3, half of them on. I don't want to put even 2, even if we can just get 2 opposite each other. We're gonna take it off and keep running it, so it's just for now. Anyway, we'll show you when we get to a bigger. Battery's dying, so this video's probably not working. Oh, I got our first stick in. Hey! Ponte hilo allá! Todo pa' acá! Arena! We'll start this video over. There we go, we got the gasket in. We're gonna tighten them up. I just want to do a star pattern around it.
Yeah, mention your fucking things broke.
Hey, no cussing. This is family-friendly channel.
Oh yeah, you'll get banned from these things.
You better not record that around us.
I need the button.
It's gonna have a bunch of beeps in there.
Beep, 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 beep. Don't hold that. Don't hold that finger. That spins. That'll rip your finger to shreds. He's talking to Chase. You go around until they're tight. 85 foot-pounds of torque.
There's a big guy right there, showing us how it was done. That's right. That's right. It's pretty muscle. 300 pounds, all muscle.
Alright, this is the big guy, the other big guy right here. Yeah.
Get a pallet. Alright, we're gonna get you guys back up here. Get this wrapped up, hooked in the next side, and get her installed. brought it yesterday. Should be over by our pallet of stuff. Big old roll of black plastic. Big old roll of black plastic. Yes. Alright. Did they bring the plastic yesterday?
Lots of what I did inventory on. I didn't see any plastic down there.
Well, they brought it a third time. They brought another little partial load. It's probably in a box. You probably won't even see it. Let's get you guys repositioned. There you go. I don't know how much this will change when we get in there, but hey, rotate that one. Oh, there you guys go. Wesley, let go. Don't let it swing, but let go. Hello. Yes. Plastic.
pipe, Chris? Yeah, and then after you can go grab the pipe stretcher for us too.
I'm gonna kick you in the
They gotta be tight.
You gotta put some power weight in.
Oh my gosh, are you serious, dude?
I'm barely dude. Well,
Dude, we're gonna have to like.
are you
Oh
serious?
my
I
gosh.
literally barely touched it. I was like inching.
Well, do the other one. This guy's breaking mega lugs off.
I'll do the other one. I barely touched it.
Dude, you can't just be waylaying into stuff.
Should I go get Nate so you can show him how to do it?
Come on!
You gotta do them tight. Just don't break them off.
Like you gotta keep going, keep going. You gotta get them tight.
Yeah, I'll talk to you later. Get tight. You're pushing. There you go. That's getting better. Oh my gosh, dude.
Oh my god.
Dude.
Here, Wesley. Take it.
Actually, we'll let you know. They're supposed to break off. Hey man, it's a friendly channel.
All right, now that we got our fun over, gotta grease it up. The butterscotch pudding.
Yeah, get in there, bud. I'll do it. Just like impregnating a cow.
I guess. I guess.
What?
Got to get all the bolts, all the threads. Basically this whole area. Go, yeah, make sure it's long enough to fit over it.
So do you just wrap the fitting?
Don't worry about weight being skimpy on it. Just throw it on there, glob it on there, and get her done. Yeah.
Impregnating the cow.
We wrap these so the dirt doesn't corrode them out. The grease helps if you got to take them apart. Helps the bolts come off, but you always end up cutting them anyway. So at least every one I've ever done. That is grease. It doesn't come off. So, but you can't eat it though. It's food. It's food grade.
I love butterscotch pudding.
It's food grade quality, so you know if you get hungry. Hold on, George. We gotta grease that still. Don't do it. Once you get it somewhere, it's everywhere. Shovels, loader. You need more grease than that, dude. You're skimping it.
I was running.
Get another
out.
piece of plastic. Get another piece of plastic.
All right.
Don't be getting dirty. That stuff don't come off.
Just put your hand in all the grease.
I've seen people do that. It's gross.
What, just barehanded?
No, we do bare hand Cody.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Just grab it. Don't be scared of it. I'm like, nah, man. He's like,
Get that top one again too. Get those threads. There you go. There you go. Now it looks like a 5-year-old cooking.
Hey.
That's what we like. Lift it up.
Up.
Way up.
Way upper.
Hold on. There you go. Put that bag down, Chase. You're done with it. Dropped it though. Lift it up. Lift it up. Okay, that's good. Way too much. We need to cut this off a little bit closer, like right here. Cut that off on each side, then we can tape the edges.
Right here.
Yep.
Get them on my rock. That's what happens when you lose 50 pounds.
There you go. There you go. Seal that end up real good.
We're gonna run out of tape.
Okay, cut it to the other side.
Did you get more rags yet?
Yeah. You're in my truck. Round and round. Let me cut that. I don't know how you guys are with knives.
I got my knife.
Take them. Okay, well I gotta dig that out more, then we'll pick it up right here on the joint and stab it.
What's up with it?